Taking a new word that probably ones we've just seen today. That was the PA-28-180 we've just seen come over today anyway. And as you can see, that was the PA-28-180 we've just as we've just seen came over today anyway. Which, as you can see, the registrations we've seen today is G-CDEO. That is, as you can see, that's the registration here, which that is G-CDEO. That was, which this is what's just come over anyway. But as you can see from here, it's literally flew in here just under 15,000 feet from here anyway. It's literally just flew in here about 15,000 feet from here. As it was, well, obviously over, it literally came over past me about 50,000 feet from here. As you can see, the registration is G-CDEO. That's the G-CDEO registration. That is. As you can see, that's just as you can see, that's just took off from its base to Perranporth airfield just around 3:24 PM anyway. It's literally just took off from its base to Perranporth airfield around 3:24 PM from here. And yeah, and this is the one that's operated by the Perranporth Flying Club. Okay, so yeah, so hopefully it should be heading back to its base to Perranporth airfield very soon, hopefully. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.